Okay, so the next thing is to install the WampServer. Actually, we can try not to run the WampServer. We have issues because there are some of the dependencies, like we said earlier, that are supposed to be installed that are not yet installed. So you should have this error come up. So that is the essence. I'm gonna close this. That's the essence of having this visual C runtime all in one. And the reason why I said we should download WinRAR initially so that you can have extraction easy. Alright, so I've installed the WinRAR, reinstalled it, it has been installed before, and now I'm going to extract it, so you should have this kind of extract. So instead of installing one after the other, I'll just install all with this one batch single installation pack. So it install everything for me. So now 5. Alright. Alright, so now 8 version. That's 2010 version currently installing. Twenty 12. So we still have 2 more to go, the 2013 version and also the 2015 to 2022 version. Alright, after the setup is complete, if we rerun our WampServer, you see that we shouldn't have any error of that again. So let me run it. So agree the license time. You can read through. So practically while we wait for this installation to complete, so what it means is that I'm installing this WampServer on the C drive into this folder WAMP64. So that means that is going to be my default directory for having my server. So it means that in this particular you see WAMP64. So this is where my server is installed. Alright, so it's been installed. So I'm gonna wait for the installation to be complete, because if it doesn't, we won't have the icon pop up here and then we won't be able to start the server. Just a few more seconds. Almost done. So we have to choose our default browser. I will stick with Edge and the default text editor, Notepad. I don't have to change anything. As for some, they can change it to Notepad++ and also change it to the browser. Some people prefer Mozilla Firefox, some prefer Chrome. Whichever is your preference, you can select any one of that once you know where it's installed. But I'll cancel that if you don't know much about that, leave it as a default. So our WampServer 3.4.0 is installed. So if you see now, we now have an icon, this icon on our server. So let me start the server so that you see how it looks. Then we can go into it. So I'll start it now. So it's starting up. So deep down here, you should have this red, means none of the services, there are 3 services supposed to run as relating to what I showed you. So we exercise patience. Let me load up the the initial file. So you can see it has changed to this green. As you can see, you have a full view. So 3, now red, this orange, and the green. You see now it's green down there. It's now green. So that means that our server is started. So I started. So in other words, let me just load this out and see how it looks. So that is just installing the server. So I can say localhost. You see it loads up. So now this is my WampServer because it's right here. It has shown it just load right here. Okay, good. So my server is running. You can run this PHP main. Let's see if it loads out. Alright, so that is that about my, so the server is running. That is out about the installation. So next we'll move into the creation of the database.